Okay, so this old design was big, bulky, not very waterproof unless you paint it, just generally a bit rubbish. So here we go. We got a round two, and this one is going to be resin 3D printed. It'll be waterproof. It's got a nice tapered plug on the base, and if we swing it around here, we can see the battery is encased here in a custom battery holder system, so that we can get a really slimline, waterproof, should look sleek. So here we go, I've just printed out on the Elegumars, and this is an ABS-like material, so I'll go and clean these off now and put it together. Now the best way to get it off the bed and to clean it all up is with some boiling water. So now we just chuck the parts in a pot with some isopropanol and give it a bit of a shake up to clean it off. We can see here we've got our 4 pieces all cleaned off and ready to test out. Right, so we start with our base piece, and then we pop in our circuit board. Perfect. This piece here basically sits on top, but this wire pokes through the hole. So you can see I've poked this wire up through a hole. Just bent it round on itself for now to create contact on this side, and then we've got our positive contact here, which is going to go on top of the battery later. Okay, so next this piece sits on here. Actually be glued all the way around the perimeter to create a seal. This cover here will sit there and get screwed down with 3 screws. It's got a taper to the cover, so you can just about maybe see that there. So it's a nice taper, so it should wedge in like a plug and create a watertight seal. Right, so we'll just pop the battery into position. See it's starting up there, and we've got a good contact on the top too. So now the plate will just sit on top of there and we'll screw it down. Right, so I'm going to glue one of these together without the gubbins inside, obviously, just to check whether it's waterproof. That's a decent amount of glue around the perimeter. So now we've just got to screw the plug down and then give it a dunk. And I have just put some tissue paper down the inside just so we can probe it. Okay, so it's all sealed up. I guess we should see some bubbles coming out of it, if it was actually leaking. Looks good. I'll hold it under there for a good 10 minutes, see what we got. So that's been under the water there for 10 minutes and still floating, no bubbles came out, so pretty happy with that. So just remove my tissue paper, and there's no signs of damp on that at all. So here's the normal SI dibber, and here's the new and improved battery replaceable model. Time to test this out on a proper orienteering event.